In Tibetan Buddhism, energy and consciousness are inseparable principles. They intertwine within the body, creating a profound connection between the physical and the spiritual. The body serves as a channel for the flow of energy and consciousness. Shamatha, or calm abiding, is a foundational practice in Buddhist meditation. It involves focusing the mind on a single object, such as the breath or a visual image, to cultivate mental stability and tranquility. Metta, or loving-kindness meditation, is a practice that involves generating thoughts and feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards oneself and others. By cultivating a compassionate heart, we can enhance our connection with others and foster a sense of interconnectedness. Contemplative meditation is a practice that involves reflecting on specific teachings, concepts, or questions in order to gain insight and deepen understanding. By engaging in contemplation, we can explore the profound wisdom of Buddha's teachings and integrate them into our lives. Meditating like Buddha can bring forth numerous benefits, transforming our inner landscape and enhancing our well-being. By incorporating Buddhist meditation practices into our lives, we can experience reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, increased self-awareness, deeper relaxation, and greater compassion for ourselves and others. The body and mind are not separate entities but deeply intertwined. Every sensation we experience, every thought that arises, is a manifestation of the energy and consciousness within us. Through meditation and mindfulness, we can cultivate an awareness of this enmeshed relationship. Our senses act as gateways to experience the world. They allow energy and consciousness to flow in and out, shaping our perception of reality. By understanding and cultivating mindful awareness of these sense gates, we can harness the power of energy to deepen our spiritual journey. In Buddhism, the three kayas, or three bodies, represent different aspects of energy and consciousness. The Dharmakaya represents the ultimate nature of reality, the Sambhogakaya embodies the blissful and radiant energy, and the Nirmanakaya manifests in the physical form of enlightened beings. Understanding these three aspects helps us connect with the vastness of energy within and around us. The mind is a powerful generator of concepts and thoughts. It weaves patterns and constructs our perception of reality. By observing our mind's patterns and becoming aware of its habitual tendencies, we can create a harmonious flow of energy within ourselves. Our perception of reality is often limited to what our senses can observe. However, according to Buddha's teachings, there is a vast dimension beyond our ordinary perception. By expanding our awareness and tapping into this larger dimension, we can connect with the boundless energy that surrounds us. As we deepen our spiritual practice, we become conduits for larger energies. We open ourselves to receive and transmit the transformative power of universal energy. By aligning our intentions and actions with compassion and wisdom, we contribute to the well-being of others and ourselves. Energy, like consciousness, is indestructible and subject to change. It forms the foundational fabric of our existence. When we recognize our interconnectedness with this energy, we begin to embrace the vastness of our being and the profound potential for growth and transformation. Energy and consciousness are interdependent and inseparable, as taught by Buddha. Let this profound truth resonate within you. As we understand the interplay of energy and consciousness, we realize that our lives are intertwined with the totality of existence. We are not separate but deeply connected to the universal energy that flows through all things. Embrace this truth, and many other metaphysical concepts will be unveiled. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May you embrace the flow of energy and cultivate compassion, wisdom, and joy in your life. If you found this exploration of Buddha's wisdom on the flow of energy insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Together, let us discover the profound teachings that can transform our lives.